Brother Ismail, we have this big issue, Sheikh, in America here. You know, we have these religious organizations. Each one tries to, basically establish their authority over the masajid, and they do it through the times of sahur, the time of iftar. So we have two famous calendars here in America, Qura, which goes with Mecca and so forth. But we have something called Islamic Finder, which more into calculation and really it becomes an issue. ISNA, yeah. I don't want to name anybody, but because we try to be politically sound here. But in any rate, there is a big time difference once it comes to Fajr al-Sadiq. So what is your take? What is your advice on this? Jazakallah khairan.
Wallahi, wajazak. Akhi, I can't judge this issue because I haven't been there, I haven't studied it thoroughly. But what I can tell you out of experience, that a similar row, a similar dispute was initiated a few years back in Saudi Arabia regarding al-Qura calculation and calendar. So some say it is 15 minutes early, it should be late. And I know that in UK and elsewhere, they even go, one of my dear brothers there says that Fajr is 2 hours or an hour and a half earlier than al-Qura, which makes life unbearable to the people of the UK. So I posted, and I have a sanad ali, I posted this question to Sheikh Muhammad ibn Salih al-Munajjid, the founder of Islam Q&A. May Allah protect him and preserve him. And he said to me, Sheikh Asim, I asked the same question to Sheikh Salih al-Fawzan, one of the great grand ulama of Saudi Arabia. And he said, my son, I personally went to the desert to check whether the true Fajr is in accordance to al-Qura calculations or not. And I spent the whole night just at the time of the break of dawn, which I can see visibly, horizontally coming in the horizon. It coincided exactly with the calendar of al-Qura. So this is not from someone who heard it from someone who heard it from a friend. No, it is right from the source of Sheikh Salih al-Fawzan. So I believe that trusting this methodology of Fajr, Dhuhr, Asr, and Maghrib of al-Qura is totally valid. Isha, you should not trust that, because they fixed in al-Qura Isha to be an hour and a half worldwide after sunset, which is not true at all. It can be 50 minutes, sometimes it goes to 70 minutes, an hour and 10 minutes, but it never goes to an hour and a half, yani all year round, despite the seasons. But the other four prayers, Fajr, Dhuhr, Asr, and Maghrib, they're all legit, inshallah.